Keeping a compact lawn neat no longer requires hours of pushing and trimming thanks to modern smart mowing solutions designed for efficiency, precision, and quiet operation. Best Robot Mower for Small Yard delivers automated care, consistent results, and more weekends. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Product name: Segway Navimow i110N Robot Lawnmower. The Segway Navimow i110N is a premium robotic mower designed for homeowners who want precision, convenience, and truly hands-free lawn maintenance in small to medium-sized yards. Built with the advanced EFLS 2.0 system, this model combines RTK positioning with visual sensors to deliver centimeter-level navigation accuracy even in areas with trees, narrow passages, or partial signal interference. This ensures consistent performance where many traditional robotic mowers struggle. One of its strongest advantages is the complete elimination of perimeter wires. Instead of digging trenches or installing boundary cables, users can create virtual boundaries directly through the mobile app, making setup remarkably fast and clean. The AI-assisted mapping feature further simplifies this process by automatically recognizing lawn edges and building an optimized working map. In daily operation, the i110N stands out for its systematic mowing patterns. Rather than random movement, it follows planned routes that ensure full coverage while minimizing visible tracks on the grass. Direction changes after each complete cycle help preserve turf health and prevent wear patterns. The mower intelligently manages its battery, returning to the charging dock when needed and resuming work automatically until the entire lawn is finished. Number 2. Product name: Mowrator 21-inch Robot Lawnmower. The Mowrator 21-inch Robot Lawnmower is a powerful hybrid between traditional mowing strength and modern robotic convenience, making it especially suitable for small yards with slopes, uneven terrain, or dense grass. Unlike fully autonomous boundary-based robots, this model emphasizes remote-controlled performance supported by high-output quad motors and an advanced FOC electronic braking system. With the ability to handle slopes up to 75%, it excels in environments where standard robotic mowers often fail. Its reinforced 21-inch steel cutting deck and high peak power allow it to cut through thick, wet, and stubborn brass types with ease, including challenging varieties like St. Augustine. The wind tunnel airflow system enhances suction and cutting consistency, producing clean, professional-looking stripes. Battery performance is another major highlight. The high-capacity LiFePO4 battery provides extended runtime and significantly longer lifespan than typical lithium-ion packs, reducing long-term replacement costs.
Number 3. Product name: Neomow XSE Robot Lawnmower. The Neomow XSE Robot Lawnmower is engineered for users who prioritize independence from satellite signals and infrastructure-heavy setups. By combining 3D LiDAR SLAM with visual fusion technology, this mower achieves precise positioning and obstacle detection without relying on RTK stations, GPS, or buried boundary wires. This makes it particularly appealing for small yards with tree cover, limited connectivity, or irregular layouts. Even in low-light conditions or at night, the XSE continues to operate reliably, maintaining consistent performance. Its ability to navigate passages as narrow as 2.53 feet demonstrates impressive spatial awareness. The mower built a detailed internal map of the yard and supports up to 40 customizable work zones through its mobile app. Users can easily define no-go areas around pools, flower beds, and play zones, ensuring safe and controlled operation. With coverage capacity of up to 0.75 acres, it offers more than enough range for most residential properties. The intelligent obstacle avoidance system, refined through extensive testing and algorithm development, enables the mower to recognize and respond to objects from all directions, using its 360-degree laser and vision sensors.
Number 4.
Product name YARDCARE N1600 Pro Lawnmower. The YARDCARE N1600 Pro Lawnmower is a sophisticated robotic solution tailored for homeowners with small to mid-sized yards who want high-precision automation without complicated installation. Featuring RTK and AI vision dual positioning, this mower achieves centimeter-level mapping accuracy, allowing it to navigate complex layouts with remarkable consistency. This hybrid positioning system ensures stable operation even in areas with partial obstructions or irregular terrain. One of its main advantages is wireless boundary management. Through the dedicated smartphone app, users can create virtual borders and define multiple mowing zones without laying physical wires. This flexibility is especially useful for properties with separate lawn sections, garden paths, or decorative landscaping. With support for areas up to 0.4 acres, the N1600 Pro is well suited for compact residential environments. The Smart App interface enables full customization of mowing schedules, cutting patterns, and operating modes. Real-time tracking allows users to monitor progress and receive alerts, while the Auto Resume function ensures uninterrupted performance after recharging.
Number 5. Product name YARDCARE V100 Robot Lawnmower. The YARDCARE V100 Robot Lawnmower is a practical and user-friendly option designed for homeowners who want simple automation without technical complexity. Relying on intelligent visual navigation, bumper sensors, and AI processing, this mower uses a camera-based system to distinguish grass from non-grass areas and detect up to 150 different obstacles. This approach enables reliable navigation in small yards without requiring buried wires or external positioning equipment. One of its standout features is the included magnetic strip system for creating no-go zones. With minimal effort, users can block off flower beds, pathways, or play areas by placing the strip on the ground, eliminating the need for digging or permanent installation. This makes the V100 especially appealing for renters or homeowners who prefer flexible yard layouts. The time-saving design ensures that setup is fast and maintenance remains minimal. Powered by a replaceable 4Ah battery, the mower allows easy battery swaps rather than full unit replacement, extending its usable lifespan. Its 6.3-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height between 0.8 and 2.4 inches provides sufficient versatility for most small lawns, while slope handling up to 20 degrees ensures stability on gentle inclines. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.